Hello children, today we are going to discuss about reproductive health. Already I think you know that I have completed 3 chapters and this is the 4th chapter, which is reproductive health. In this chapter we are going to discuss now the important points and other things whatever given in this lesson. Okay, so please make a note of all these whatever I say. Please pay attention. In this reproductive health, what is given first is problems and strategies related to this reproductive health. In this problems and strategies, first beginning we'll see about the definitions given by World Health Organization. World Health Organization, that is WHO. According to them, reproductive health means total well being in all aspects of reproduction, that is, physically, emotionally, behaviorally, and socially. In all these 4 aspects, total well being in all these 4 aspects. According to World Health Organization, the definition given for reproductive health, this is very important. And our country was the first countries in the world to initiate action plans and programs to attend reproductive health as a social goal. So our country was the first countries among the world. So that we have to be very proud of our country. And these programs were collectively called as family planning, and they were initiated in the year 1951. And we have other programs, that RCH programs also, that is reproductive and child healthcare programs. And this is very very important, and it has got two main tasks, otherwise I can say 2 main objectives. That is these RCH programs, they create awareness among people about various reproduction related aspects. And second thing, they provide facilities and support for building up a healthy society. These 2 things are the main task of reproductive and child healthcare programs. Apart from that, in our country, through media and many governmental and non-governmental organizations have taken so many steps to create awareness among people about reproduction. We'll see all the whatever steps they have taken, the governmental and non-governmental organization through audiovisual, what steps they have taken to create awareness among people regarding reproductive aspects and other things. First of all, with the help of audiovisual, many governmental and non-governmental organizations have taken steps to create awareness among people about reproduction related aspects. This is the first important point. And the second one, proper info. They are also, these organizations are giving proper information about reproductive organs, adolescence and related changes, about sexually transmitted diseases, that is STD, etc. That would help people to lead a reproductive healthy life. That would help people to lead a reproductive healthy life. And other things, problems are related to uncontrolled population growth. What are the problems and social evils like sex abuse, etc. And in these aspects, awareness should be created to enable people to think and take necessary steps to prevent all these social evils. So they are also just they are giving much importance to avoid all these things, and what people awareness they are creating among people to think and to overcome all these problems, and what steps they can take to prevent all these social evils. The next one, better techniques and new methods are required, and they provide effective care and assistance to people regarding reproductive health. And other things are better postnatal care, that is after childbirth, care taken for the newborn babies, and decreased maternal and infant mortality rate, that is the death rate have been decreased nowadays. Maternal mother and baby mortality rate have been decreased. That is because of the modern technology techniques in the field of medical field. An increased number of couples with small families and cure of sexually transmitted disease, etc. All these improvement indicate a better reproductive health of the society. So they have done all these things. All these organizations are giving much more importance on all these things. And I have to say about drug, this also, which recently our government, because of it was developed by a group of scientists in Lucknow, that is in CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow. Saheli is a best contraceptive method. It is a pill, a form of a pills for women. It's very effective. It was very effective and was developed by scientists in CDRI, that is Central Drug Research Institute, located in Lucknow. This is also related to all these reproductive issues. And in this, I have to say about amniocentesis, which is a method. It is a fetal sex determination test based on the chromosomal pattern in the amniotic fluid surrounding the developing embryo. Fetal sex determination, whether it is a male or a female, based on the chromosomal pattern in the amniotic fluid, that is, embryo's chromosomal pattern will be worked out. 43 chromosome, 23 pairs. Any abnormality, or it's a normal child, any abnormality in the chromosomal pairing, they will early abort. They'll do the abort the child if it is showing a chromosomal disorder. It is a very good fetal sex determination test. Any abnormalities we can overcome by these methods, but it's a ban in our country because it is misused for sex determination of unborn child and increasing female feticide. That is, if it is a girl child, they're killing the girl child. So it is a ban in our country, this method, but it's a very good method to see any abnormality of the child or the fetus. And the next thing about what is that is population because of population explosion, how it is, what are the drawbacks and what are the necessary steps we have to take to control the population explosion and birth control methods. In this population explosion, certain points which I will discuss, you also listen. World's population being 2 million in 90s, and it was relocated to 6 billion in 2000. So India's population about 350 million during independence, and now it's almost reached billion. So you just imagine how rapidly exponential, it's a rapid increase in the population and a rapid decline in the death rate. What are the reason for this population explosion? A rapid decline in the death rate and MMR, maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate, everything has come down. Okay, it has come down. Death rate, before and all it was very high. Now it has come down because of the modern technology and increase in the number of people in reproducible age. All these are the reasons for the population explosion. Why such population explosion, especially in our country? That is because of most of the urban people are uneducated. Girls were given into early marriages. These are the main reasons why we have such an enormous population explosion. Birth control measures. So how we can control the population? Birth control measures through media, like slogans and other things. We can and slogans like hum do hamaro do, that is we to us to. It can be given to control. These are the birth control measures, and other contraceptive methods are there to control control of population. Contraceptive, you have various types of natural contraceptives and artificial contraceptives, which we'll discuss in the next class. And all these things you just make a note and read, which I have discussed now. All the important points and other issues of what I have said now, you learn, and then we'll discuss the rest of the things in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.